In this video, I will tell you how you can select the best EA by using the TradingBotLab website. All details are in the short guide. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to Trading Boot Lab and I'm your host Abdul. First of all, you need to note how much investment you have. For example, you are going to invest $1,000 in your trading account and now you need a best EA for your $1,000 account. Now let's move to my screen and here simply in the browser you need to write Trading Boot Lab on the Google and you will see this website and remember this logo. Click on this website and simply you can learn multiple things from this website. Simply go to the backtest results. Let me explain you exactly what we have done under the backtest results page. Simply we search for a best EA available in the market. Most of the time I focus on the free EAs available on the MQL5 marketplace. I go to the MQL5 marketplace, search one by one and read their description, reviews, comments, and after all I select one EA as the best EA for my next work, and then I start few back tests to understand the nature, the behavior and the strategy of that EA. After a lot of working hours, once I got the concept of the EA, I start the optimization process. In one optimization process there are more than 10,000 number of tests which are performed on our super PCs. Once the optimization process is completed, I analyze all the results and choose the best one for my live trading account, and also then I publish that best result here on the website. Here you can see on the website there are multiple EAs which are already optimized. Also you can download any EA. For example, if you click on this button you will be redirected to the Dark EA's website because this EA is not my, but this is one of the best EA available in the market. It may take some time to load because most of the time there is a heavy load or maybe bad internet connection. Simply I will go back and look for some other EAs. So now let's analyze one EA to understand exactly how to analyze the EA. For example, I'm going to analyze the Dark Nova EA which is already selected. Simply you can select the EA, the results will be loaded, and for now I am on the Dark Nova EA. I will analyze the results and reports of the Dark Nova EA, and here on the top I have option to view the single report. Every time I click on a report, only one report will be analyzed at a time. In the single view I will select the first report and here you see the performance graph, how the graph is going up, and below is the drawdown, how much drawdown and at what point on what date the drawdown was. And with these dates you will get a very clear idea that on which months it gives a big drawdown. And here below in the matrix, the initial deposit, the total net profit, the drawdown, the win ratio, and all these metrics you can analyze. Okay, and move down the trade distribution, buy and shorts, and then the monthly profit and loss. Here you will get a very clear idea that which month is in profit, which month is in loss year by year. And here you can clearly see that this EA is started in the October 2022 and all months are in profit. Only in the September it made a $38 of loss and it is totally acceptable. Now let's move to the Euro USD and analyze. It is going well. Here are few pumps in the results and that's good. Here is a drawdown. Below here all the metrics I will see and I will check all these values one by one based on my experience, and also you can do all these analysis based on your, and once you start analyzing these results and you will get more experience day by day. Here below we can check the profit and loss month by month. Here in 2023 May it made a loss $0.28, but all other months are in profit. For example, I want to move this up. I will simply move this tab up, and by this way you can adjust the structure of layout. Now let's move to the GBP USD, and here it made $1,183. That's amazing with a drawdown of just $27. And here month by month how much profit it made, and the performance graph is going well. Okay, so now I like all these results and simply I will shift this single view to combine results and I will select all these three results. I am doing optimization on more pairs and soon that pair will be published. Here the initial deposit is 1000 and it made total $2,836 by combining these three pairs and the total drawdown is $103. It opened total trades 2326 and the profit ratio is 69.9%, which means these are 70% of win ratio. And here in month by month you can see now there is no month in loss. In the single test you see the September was loss for one pair and the May was in loss for one other pair, but when we combine, so the one pair is losing, the other one pair is supporting to that drawdown period. By this way you can analyze any EA available here. For example, for the scalping machine you can see these are four results, and for the neural you see a more number of results and you can simply combine, or you can also check one by one. Once you spend some time on analyzing the results and reports which are already completed, you simply need to make a plan based on your initial deposit and your expected ROI, how much you want to earn by depositing $1,000 in your account. And the ROI is different for different EAs. The optimization process on more EAs and the more pairs is going on continuously day by day on our super PCs. I will keep optimizing these reports and keep publishing the results here. You can simply bookmark this website and check time to time and analyze all these reports and results. And now, for example, you have selected the .nova EA as the best EA and you want to download the set file here. You see here a button to download the set file for AUD. I will click on it and the files will be downloaded in few seconds. Now you see here the file is downloaded. For EURUSD, I will simply click here. The file will be downloaded just one click, and after that, for example, you click here, I will click here, these files are downloaded, I will open the folder. All these results and reports are inside the folder, and this is the set file you will use when you apply the EA on your chart or for the EURUSD. If you have any confusion, let me know in the comment section and I will do my best to clear any confusion. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.